Of May 3rd, 1999. Here's the thing about Moore, Oklahoma. Look at the winds it took to pile these vehicles into this corner. You know, some of these vehicles, you can't tell what they were. Moore has been struck by either an F4 or an F5 tornado at least 2 other times. May 3rd, 1999, April 8th of 2003, and most likely today. So, guys, you asked me to qualify, and I'd say perhaps the worst tornado I've ever seen.
Rick, we're hearing the tornado may have been on the ground in Moore, Oklahoma for 11.2 miles.
Yes, these F4s and F5s tend to be long track, very violent. They're not the typical tornado. Typical tornado touches down, the average lifespan is maybe a minute or so on the typical tornado. These are monsters. These happen less than 2% of the time. This one was on the ground for close to an hour. And yes, if the damage path is, if you're hearing 11, 12, 15 miles, that would not surprise me at all.